You're not meant to struggle, and life becomes so much simpler when you begin to see it through the lens of Stoicism. For me, I aim to have a good heart, to find beauty in everything, and this mindset has helped me immensely. It's helped me build inner strength, find peace, and appreciate what I have, no matter the situation, good or bad. Stoicism has shaped me into a better person, and no matter what life throws at me, I know I can handle it with calm and grace. I want that for you too. So today, let's dive into Stoicism. It's a whole philosophy, but I'm going to simplify it for you, so you can see how easy it is to apply in your life. This is something that's been around since ancient Greece, so if you're interested in developing this mindset, I encourage you to really study it. This isn't just a trend or a gimmick, it's the real deal. When I talk about building a solid foundation for your life, this is what I mean. It's about mastering yourself, not comparing yourself to others or proving you're in some healing phase. It's about being strict with yourself and tolerant of others. As Marcus Aurelius said, personal growth is about focusing on your own journey. The only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. So how can you start applying Stoicism to your life? I'll teach you. Today we're talking about how to stop overcomplicating your life. Oftentimes we create our own mental prisons, but we also hold the keys to freedom. So how do we find those keys? If any of this resonates with you, stick around, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Now, I want to share something that really hit home for me. A few weeks ago, I had a profound conversation with a Lyft driver that completely shifted my mindset. It was around 4 a.m., and I was exhausted after leaving a rave in Miami. This driver just had this calm, peaceful energy. I asked him, "What's your secret?" And what he told me blew my mind. He said that 5 years ago, he realized he could control his reality with his mind, and ever since, he's been cruising through life. He shared 2 major takeaways that changed everything for him. First, he stopped seeing things as problems. Problems are either solvable or not. Either way, they're just redirections, not something to stress over. Second, he simplified his thoughts. The key to life is simplicity. Trust your decisions and don't overthink. That mindset has transformed how I see things. Living a life based on virtues like kindness, courage, and justice leads to true happiness. You create your reality with your thoughts. If something happens, you either solve it or move on. It's not a problem unless you think it is. It's a life lesson, part of the experience. So why stress? A lot of our stress comes from comparing ourselves to others, either feeling superior or putting people on pedestals. But the truth is, no one is perfect. If you think others are incredible, you need to start thinking that way about yourself too. You are amazing, and at the same time, don't look down on anyone. They're on their own journey just like you. You can't control other people, and no one should be able to control you. I know you're watching this because you're on your own self-improvement journey, but remember, not everyone is. Some people are still asleep, and that's okay. Even if someone wronged you, it doesn't mean you're better than them. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike the one who wronged you." I love that quote because it reminds me that I have no enemies. I don't let myself stoop to their level. If someone brings negativity into my life, they get blocked, and I move on. Being kind and showing grace is important, not because you want to control others, but because you know better. If someone doesn't bring peace into your life, they don't belong in it. Accept your humanity. A friend of mine who's a medium once asked spirits what they miss most about being human. They said they miss feelings, heartache, joy, the taste of strawberries. That perspective changed my life. It reminded me to be grateful for all the emotions I get to feel, even the hard ones. Your emotions are part of being human, and they're valid, even the ones that are painful. Stoicism isn't about avoiding emotions, it's about knowing how to deal with them. Don't run from your feelings, process them, because they always come back if you don't. Being at peace with your emotions also means being comfortable with being alone. The Japanese philosopher Miyamoto Musashi said, "Those who cannot be alone cannot be honest, cannot be loyal." Being alone should bring peace. If you can't be alone with your thoughts, it means your inner demons are in control. I love being alone. It's peaceful. You're not meant to be perfect, but you're meant to improve a little every day. Your self-improvement journey is ongoing, and that's not exhausting. It's purposeful. There's no perfect ending because none of us are perfect. Self-improvement is a guide, not your identity. Finally, don't let pleasures like food, partying, or people control your life. If those things are your source of happiness, your life is unbalanced. Stoicism helped me lose 40 pounds, quit alcohol and smoking, and take control of my habits. The only person I'm afraid of letting down is myself. I stay true to my word and my commitments. I love The Daily Stoic. It's a book you read 1 page a day, and it really helped me build a life rooted in kindness and helping others. Remember, everything starts in your mind. The bravest thing I ever did was ask for help. Tears aren't weakness, they're strength. Life can be hard, but you're so important to this world, even if you don't see it yet. You are loved, you are protected, and no one else can do what you do in this world.